Yes, guys, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday. Hope everyone's having a great weekend. But like I used to tell you guys, this weekend has been a nice weekend. Been chilling with family, relaxing, doing other things, focusing on other businesses as well. And one of the reasons why I never used to take trades on Fridays because I don't want to be no downtrend. I don't want to be looking at the charts and thinking, oh man, I can't wait for 11 p.m. to hit and see exactly what's going on with my trade, So I'm the type of person that if I had the terrible week, which I did, I took the L last week, should I say, or this week, should I say. And of course, a lot of people took L's as well this week as well. The market has been crazy volatile, and gold's been moving crazy. But nevertheless, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'll be looking for this coming week right now. So guys, when I'm looking at the charts right now, guys, I can see exactly what's happening with gold and what I'm going to be looking for, especially when this coming week is coming ahead, right? So looking at everything in the charts right now, we can see that, gold is kind of falling, gold is falling, it's showing like it's a downtrend. And it's like, for some people that likes to take shorts, right, you can definitely catch this trend. As you can see how these lows are breaking all these lows over here. We have a little correction to the top, to the above level of 3,361, and price continue making a way down to this next range area over here, right? So this support area over here that we have right now would be a nice interest to be going for a buy position, especially when the market opens. But for me on Monday, I like to analyze the charts when price opens on Monday, just to see exactly what price action is going to show me, right? I don't want to dive into a trade on Monday just because it's close to like my entry point, and then I don't understand, the motion of the market. So on Monday, I like to chillax, watch the market, try to analyze it on live as well at 8 a.m. Analyze the market, see exactly what's going on, and then on Tuesday to Wednesdays, that's when I start making decisions of like what position I'm looking to be taking. But you guys will see that on my live if you pull up. But yeah, so what I'm looking for is when price opens, right? If price opens and, price continue to keep falling, around this level is where I'll definitely take a buy position, then taking a buy position at this level over here, around 3,344, right? I will take a buy position around this level. I wouldn't really wait for price to, come below that level, right? So I wouldn't wait for price to come below this level for me to take a buy position. I'll just take a buy position straight away when I see price come up to this level. So I will be putting my limit order for that position anyway. So, and if price doesn't come around to this level and I don't have the position to take, I don't have the opportunity to take that position, I'll be waiting for price to come above this level, which is 3,304. And then I will take a buying position over here. But price needs to come above the level over here like this, not just where price is right now. When market opens, I want to go strictly for a buy position. I don't want to do that. I used to do that in the beginning times when I used to trade. I know some people think like first went in will make sense. Like, let me get into this now because it will make sense because that means I'm already in the trade. But when it's Monday, bro, you really don't want to take those type of trades, if I'm saying to you, because first of all, there might be a gap in the market. So when there's a gap in the market, 9 times out of 10, price comes back to fill that same gap in the market, right? So you got to kind of let the chart show you exactly what it's doing before you can start navigating what trades you want to take. You feel me? Whether it's a short position or long position. If it's a short position, for those that like taking short position, wait for price to come to this level over here and let it close in a 1 hour time frame or 4 hours time frame. So whether it closes on a 1 hour time frame or 4 hours time frame, let the candlestick close and then go for a short position. Hopefully you have like a nice little support area that you can use as an SL while riding the trade all the way to the next level, right? But that's on your own risk, right? At the end of the day, I'm not a financial advisor. That's you guys' own risk. But I'm only telling you the way my strategy is and the way I trade. Because at the end of the day, I'm more focused on the psychology part of trading more than the technical analysis, right? So I focus more on my emotions. Like, okay, cool. Why am I taking this trade? Is there a reason why I'm taking this trade so early in the week? Is it a fear of missing that emotion? So I kind of focus more on the psychology part of trading instead of the technical analysis part of trading. So I just want to put that out there to, of course, new beginners that's starting to trade. You want to focus on your emotion more when you're going in a chart, so you don't think that you're trading. Because sometimes when you're trading as a beginner or you're just trading, period, there's two things that traders are always going to come across: is the fear and the greed. So fear of missing out, fear that you might be missing out opportunities, you know what I mean? And the greed, or let me get into the trade now. So those are the two factors or things when you come across to the chart. So you want to really kind of focus on that when you're taking trades. You feel me? It's very, very important. So yeah, moving forward, yeah. So like I'm telling you, this is the reason why I got my buy level, you know, position over here, because I know this is exactly what I'm looking for, you know, in terms of being in the market. And this is my strategy, right? I'm only going for a buy position when coming close to this week. I'm going for a buy position only. I'm not interested in no short position, because to me, when I take short position, I rather slam the trade. If I can't slam the trade, there's no point. And looking at how the chart is, especially when I want to look at it from a day time frame, right? I want to look at it from a day time frame. Overall, is an uptrend, right? It's an uptrend. So I want to follow the trend, right? I don't want to go against the trend. I want to get myself in a position where I can potentially turn money into a swing trade, you know? So take a part profit and leave some behind and let that grow. So hopefully when we leave this area over here, because this area has been a techie area, like I've been saying, it's been like this was the fourth attempt price come over here, been pushed down by sellers. And, you know, when we get to this level over here, which is 3,435, right? And price decides to break past this, I would like to get myself whether in this entry point, this entry point, or this entry point, and I can turn my trade into a swing position. You know what I'm saying to you guys? But anyway, guys, listen, I want to say thank you to the new subscribers again. I've been getting new subscribers like every day, bro. You guys have been showing me crazy love, especially you guys pulling up to my live. Last Friday was a funny live, you feel what I'm saying to you. I want to give a shout out to all you guys that pull up on my live, that participated in the chat. And I definitely want to see you guys on Monday, 8 a.m., 9:30, Monday to Friday. So make sure you don't miss that. Make sure you put your notification bell on so when I go live, you don't have to miss it out. But nevertheless, I'm going to see you guys there. Peace.